Okay guys, we're here at the Showboat Hotel in the iconic Atlantic City Boardwalk. We're going to take you on a tour of the entire facility. We hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Definitely leave us a comment.
We're also going to see the room that we stayed in, very comfortable, very clean. And also, just to let you know, this is a great location, a lot of activities outside on the boardwalk.
Catch you later.
There's no better way to start your day than catching the sunrise on the beach. It's an absolute must. Don't forget to have your room card with you. You will need it for the elevators. We stayed in a typical room in the Bourbon Tower. Clean, comfortable, king-size bed, and definitely can't beat the view. There also is an Orleans Tower where they actually have apartment rentals. Check their website for that information. Tip for all you early morning risers and coffee drinkers. Brickers opens at 7 a.m. Define opens at 8 a.m. So if you want coffee earlier than that, you'll have to go next door to the Hard Rock at Starbucks. Keep in mind, the Showboat Hotel is a pet-friendly resort. The Showboat has a pool and a spacious deck on the 5th floor. But keep in mind, you do not have access until 11 a.m. Lucky Snake Arcade takes up the entire space that used to be the casino floor in the old Showboat. It's an adventure for kids of all ages. You can get lost in everything offered here. Indoor mini glow golf, classic pinball, virtual reality games, a gaming room, and more. You can play the games, and you can win tickets that you can trade in for prizes. Here is the most unique thing about the Showboat Arcade. Where else can you find indoor go-karts? These Italian-made electric go-karts can go up to 50 miles per hour. Grab your helmet and strap in. Enjoy the ride. The Showboat Super Circus is another entertainment offering, but it is seasonal and only offered during the summer months. Waterpark at the Showboat is a work in progress. It will be an indoor-outdoor water park with access year-round. Once completed, the Showboat Hotel will become the most family-friendly resort in Atlantic City. We hope you enjoyed our tour of the Showboat Hotel in Atlantic City. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to our channel and definitely leave us a comment.